Why does this path feel so long? Why do I feel so far from where I'm meant to be? My child, the most beautiful gardens are not grown in a day. Be patient. But what if I fail? What if all this work amounts to nothing? The sun does not worry if it will rise. It just does. Be consistent. The weight of it all is so heavy. The waiting, the trying, it hurts. I know. What you are building takes time, but it is worth more than you can imagine. Every step, every tear is weaving a masterpiece. Trust the process. Trust me. I am with you, always. Stay the course, for the dawn is coming, and it will be glorious.